Guess where are we now? We are now at this Parc Canberra. So this is a new EC, alright, at this Sembawang area. So today, Rens and Alex are very happy to show every homeowner at this Parc Canberra that how can we design a house below 30,000. Let's go. Welcome all homeowners of Parc Canberra. Visit our Riverfront showflat to understand how can we design a house below 30,000.
Today, what you see here, right?
Yeah.
Half the price, 30,000.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
30,000 and you can
Yes.
achieve this?
Right, 30,000 included the shoe rack, feature wall, and master bedroom.